Number 7. 4/5 of the money collected from a fundraiser was divided equally among 8 grades. What fraction of the money did each grade receive? Change it to multiplication and flip the second number. We can divide out the 4s. There would be 1 4 that goes into 4 and 2 sets of 4 that fit into 8. 1 times 1 is 1, 5 times 2 is 10. Or you can reduce at the end if you are not comfortable doing it that way. 4 times 1 is 4, 5 times 8 is 40, and then we can reduce to get 1/10. So each grade gets 1/10 of the money. Meyer used 6 loads of gravel to cover 2/5 of his driveway. How many loads of gravel will he need to cover his entire driveway? So we can take 6 and divide it by 2/5 to figure out 6 is 2/5 of what size? Switch it to multiplication. 6 times 5 is 30. Then there's that invisible 1 on the bottom. And 1 times 2 is 2. 30 split into 2 groups is 15. So he will need 15 loads of gravel. If we were to draw a diagram, we could split it up into 5 equal parts, and 6 loads covered 2/5. So each one would get 3 in it, which gives us a total of 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Number 9. An athlete plans to run 3 miles. Each lap around the schoolyard is 3/7 of a mile. How many laps will the athlete run? So, how many 3/7 laps are in 3 miles? Flip that second one over. 7 times 3 is 21. There's an invisible 1 on the bottom. 1 times 3 is 3. 21 split into 3 groups is 7. So he will run 7 laps. For a diagram, we want 3 miles total. But if we split them into 7 parts and then broke them up into groups of 3, we can see that it will take 7 of those to make the full 3 miles. Let's draw a bigger border around our whole pieces for the miles. There's 1 mile, there's the second mile, and the third mile. But we took 3/7 to form each lap, and it took 7 laps to get to those 3 total miles.